In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari language. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and Safari is showing content in a language you don't want, the most important thing to know is that Safari follows your device's system language settings. That means you won't usually change the language from inside the Safari app itself. Instead, you'll update the language on your iPhone or iPad, and Safari will follow that change automatically. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. This is where your main iPhone or iPad preferences are managed, including language settings that affect apps like Safari. Once you're in Settings, tap General. Inside the General menu, look for Language and Region and open it. This section controls the primary language your device uses, as well as regional preferences that can affect how information is displayed. From here, you may see the option to tap Add Language. Or, depending on your device and current setup, you might see iPhone language. If you want to add another language to your list of preferred languages, choose Add Language. If you want to directly switch the main language your device uses, tap iPhone Language. Next, select the language you want to use. After choosing it, confirm the change when prompted. Your device may take a moment to apply the new language settings. Once that's done, Safari should begin using the updated system language automatically. This is the key point to remember. Safari uses your iPhone or iPad's language settings, so changing the device language is what changes Safari's language as well. Now, if you've already changed the system language and Safari still seems to show search results in the wrong language, there's an extra detail to keep in mind. Sometimes the issue isn't Safari itself, but your search engine preferences. For example, if you use Google or another search provider, that service may have its own language setting saved separately. In that case, Safari can be in one language while search results still appear in another. So if needed, check the language settings of your search engine too. That can help make sure the browser interface and the content you see in search results are aligned. And that's all it takes to change Safari language on iPhone or iPad. Once you update the system language and, if necessary, your search engine preferences, Safari should display things the way you expect.